can see the 4 long cording strips, the 2 shorter bias back strips and the shorter back push. Once you have sewn your long cording strips and trimmed the edges, turn them inside out by using the blunt end of a kebab stick. 2 of these cording strips will become the long button loops. At step 13 on the instructions, you will find details on how to gather and pin the pleats using the pattern markings. After securing the pleats, step 18 shows you how to finish the raw edges of the back waistline edges either side of the back waistband panel. This needs to be done before the waistbands are attached. For the waistband panels, you will first press a center fold and then a 12mm fold on one long edge and then a shorter 6mm fold along the other edge. As you can see, I am showing that here on the back waist panel. With these steps, when the waistband is folded along the center line, one edge will be longer than the other. Position the unfolded back waistband panel between the bias bound edges on the back with a 12mm fold along the top in order to stitch along this 12mm fold. Place a cording strip folded in half along the center fold line of the back waistband. Then fold the back waistband towards you along the center folding line. Sew down these edges to secure the cording strip ends, but only sew down to where the top of the finished waistband edges begin. You can then turn your back waistband panel with long button loops right side out. Now working from the inside edge, refold the 6mm edge and pin to secure. You will be stitching along the outer edges of the waistband and then stitching the ditch along the waistband edge. For the full waistband, follow these same steps, pinning and stitching along the unfolded 12mm edge, but instead of pinning folded cording strips, just pin one edge of a longer cording strip along the center fold. And again, stitch along the sides only down to the finished waistband edge. Turn the waistband right side out and then from the inside, refold and pin in place the 6mm folded edge. Once turned right side out again, you will be top stitching down along the outer edges and then stitching the ditch along the waistband to secure the longer inner side of the waistband. After these steps, the back button loop and buttonholes can be sewn to find the perfect closure positioning for the buttons.